Hi everyone! I think this is the time to talk about DevTools so that you can observe the states changing. The state management using the Zustand library can be debugged with the Redux DevTools. As a middleware, what you need to do is just install the Redux DevTools in your browser. I use Chrome, just go to Chrome Web Store. And here you just search the Redux, return, and the first one, Redux DevTools, is the one what we need. Then install it, go back to our code. And we have two stores, one is bear store and the other is cat store. We will install them one by one. So a side note, in Zustand, we usually make the store small so that we can achieve modularity. Now let's at first edit for bear store. The usage is very simple. In the create function, there is actually initializer, it's a state creator. We just wrap the state creator by the devtools middleware. We just use the smart selection, Control-Shift, right, and add a parenthesis. Now we use the devtools from the Zustand middleware. Finished. Now we go to our main program app.tsx and let me comment out irrelevant code at first. And just input the bear box here. So don't forget to import the bear box here. Now let's go to our website, take a look. Right click, inspect. Then just go here. We will find the Redux. This is the Redux DevTools. We add a bear. You see? We see the states changing. And if you click state, you will see the state value. And remove all bears. Just click here. Cool. But sometimes you want to disable the DevTools because you are in the production environment. So how can we do that? It's simple. Just go back to our bear store. The DevTools has a second argument. You see here is DevTools option, and it has an enabled option, and you can write it true or false. If it is a production environment, you can just write it false. Okay, let's go back here, refresh, and you see the DevTool disappear, and change it to true. Go back here, it appears again. Cool. Now let's add the DevTools for our cat store. So click our cat store. Inside the create function, we see our state creator has already been wrapped by the email middleware. So there's a question, should we put the DevTools before or after the email middleware? The documentation from Zustand said we should put the DevTools behind the email. It is very important because the email will change the states. So we should put the DevTools behind the email. So let's wrap the state creator inside the email middleware. So just use the smart selection, Control-Shift, right, add a parenthesis, and DevTools. Okay, now in the second argument, just give the enabled true. Let's go to our app and enable the codes here. So go to our website, we see our cat box, and add bear, correct. Now add big cats, nothing works. Why? Because it selects the wrong state instance for me. So what I should do is choose the auto select instances. Let's do it again. Add bears, correct. Now let's add big cats, click here. Now it's correct. Add small cats, clicked, correct. Add small cats, click it. You see here. So we should choose the auto select instances. But there is another option in the devtools. You can give the instance a name. Go to our bear store. Behind the enabled, we just give it a name and call it bear store. And the same for the cat store. Behind the enabled, we just give the name cat store. Let's go to our website, refresh. And here, now we see there are bear store and cat store. We choose the bear store, add bear, correct. Now we choose the cat store, add a big cat, correct. Add a small cat, correct. So this is how we use the devtool. In the next video, we will learn how to use the persist middleware to save the state locally.